Today we're going to draw a cool tractor with a trailer full of hay, step by step. So grab your pencil, paper, and let's have some fun. Step 1. Let's start with the big front tire. You can use any round object like a cup or a lid to trace a perfect circle. That's our strong tractor wheel. Step 2. Draw 2 horizontal lines. These lines will help us build the tractor's base. Step 3. Next, draw a big boxy shape on top of the wheels. This is the main body of the tractor where the driver sits. Let's add a roof, a steering wheel, windows, and headlights. Add a front bumper or smoke pipe. Make it look strong and powerful. Wow, it's already looking amazing! Step 4. Now it's time to draw the trailer behind the tractor. Draw a long rectangle attached to the back of the tractor. Then add 2 small wheels underneath the trailer. Step 5. Let's draw some hay inside the trailer. Use wavy or zigzag lines to show bundles of hay or grass stacked high. Now it's time to color your drawing. You can color the tractor wheel red. Pink, blue, green, orange, yellow in tractor body. The trailer, brown, pink, yellow, and the grass is green. Don't forget to like, subscribe.